Alright guys, quick video on Jasmy for two reasons. Number one, I think we're getting close to the exiting this triangle we've been in. And number two, this is the crypto that I have been keeping all of you up to date on. Alright, so here's where we're at right now, where the arrow is. This is the area where I suggested you buy your limit a couple weeks ago at 7.37. We have hit that level several times, and I have participated in trading this. Currently, I'm out of Jasmy Substack subscribers. You guys know which coins I am in. I'm perfectly content being in the coins I have chosen, as I think they will all do just as well, if not better than Jasmy. However, Jasmy is shooting for 27 cents as soon as we exit this triangle. Our FOMO target is actually 42 cents. And I say FOMO because once we get into this area here, this is where the noobs buy. All right. They like to buy up here. They see all their friends are making all the dough, and they don't want to miss out. So they're going to buy up here, and that could drive the price much higher. You never know. It could be a blow off top. We could hit the 42 cents mark actually pretty easily here with Jasmy. But let's look at the area where we're at right now, and let's talk about this triangle. The purple trend lines here indicate uh, the tip of this triangle, and really we only have up until, I would say, we'll be out of this triangle by the 13th for sure, but it may be within a day or two. All right. Institutional investors, I expect them all to travel back to their offices and start reallocating funds sometime next week. I believe that they're all still on vacation. We're seeing lots of lackluster price movement this week. It's really boring action. I think most people are still on vacation. But next week, I do believe we'll see some more action. Another thing I'm looking at here is the RSI. We've hit this level 45.56 several times, once right here and then two times over here. So it is providing significant resistance down there as well. And that may coincide. I mean, we may hit the top of this triangle again when we hit the RSI. So be careful and be wary for that, because if that happens, I don't anticipate we'll just break right through. We could come down to 7.37 cents again, folks, or we could come all the way down to 5.9 cents before we break to the upside of this triangle. Again, lots of volatility here. That's why I love these small cap cryptos, because they move. But again, you have to have a strong gut, and you have to have your levels marked, your patterns drawn, and be ready for a breakdown further, and know where to sell, know where to get out to save yourself. Either way, right now we're sitting on 8.4 cents. I believe that's where we're at right now. 8.2 cents is our support, and we haven't broken down below that in the last 4 days. So either we're going to break down and hit that lower level of 7.37 cents and then possibly further down to 5.9 cents, or we stay here and we attempt to break out. Now, I don't think we hit our heads on the top of this triangle and just break through. I don't see that happening, guys. What I do see happening more likely is we hit the top of the triangle and then cave down to one of these levels down below before breaking out. It could be the 7.37 cents. It could be all the way down to 5.9 cents. Those are really your three options right there. We sit here and try to break out, go down to 7.37 cents again, and then break out, or 5.9 cents and then break out. All right. If you want a more conservative trade, then what I would do is wait for a breakout. And what do we like to do? We like to hit our resistance, then come back down, kiss the top of that triangle before proceeding further. So the most conservative trade would probably be waiting till we break outside the top of this triangle and confirming on the daily. You would buy here and you would hold through all of this if you're not really skilled at playing the levels. The way I would do it, though, is buy here, hold through, hold down, and then wait for us to come up, hit one of our resistance level, then I sell there and I buy back down here. All right, that's the way I play the levels and leverage my position, leverage my cash in the positions. All right, I'm not going to spend too much time on this video. Just wanted to say we are close to a breakout, and you guys watch for this. Take screenshots of these levels if you want them for your own record, and then best of luck to you. We'll talk to you in the next video.